What's up, everybody? Today I'm learning how to go airboating with David. This time I'm driving, so stick around and learn exactly how to enjoy the airboat safely and from what? The captain's chair. That's right, I'm driving. Oh yeah. I'm used to being the passenger, which is really nice because when stuff goes wrong, you can just pretend like it's no big deal. Today, things are gonna go perfectly, super smooth, nothing's gonna happen because I'm in charge. After a little tutorial, that is. I first need to figure out exactly how to do this, but then I'll be in charge. That's the order of operations. I learn how to do it, then I'm in charge. Should be easy, right? Like all sports that involve engines and mechanics and maintenance, well, things don't always go as planned, so we haven't quite gotten off of the trailer and into the water today because we've got a little bit of an issue, I think, with maybe the battery and starter. Time to be patient and just keep our fingers crossed that we resolve the problem. We are ready to resume class.
So we're putting the airboat in the water here.
So airboating is all about air power. It's like attaching literally an airplane engine to a boat. In an airboat, you're actually pushing yourself through the turn. There's also no reverse. A couple things you want to keep in mind always is, how much room do you have to make a turn? You want to make sure that you don't get yourself wedged into a spot where you can't turn around. And also, what's the texture that you're going over? Once you're moving, you got to prepare to stop way ahead because you just can't throw the brakes on. Another option is to spin the boat around and use that forward motion the opposite direction. It's time to go. Amazing! That is such a thrill. It's so fun. That is a thrill. I loved every minute. Thank you.